Imagine a bustling city walled off from the world. This isn't a static brick wall. It's a living, intelligent border. That's your cell membrane. Every second, millions of molecules negotiate this boundary. Nutrients must enter, waste must exit, and signals must be received, all while maintaining a delicate internal balance. Scientists call its structure the Fluid Mosaic Model. Fluid because its components, the phospholipids and proteins, are constantly shifting and drifting, like people in a dense crowd. This makes the membrane flexible and self-healing. Mosaic refers to the patchwork of different proteins embedded within this fatty layer, each with a specific job, like a gate, a guard, or a communications tower. The foundation is the phospholipid bilayer. These molecules have a water-loving head and a water-fearing tail. They instinctively arrange themselves tail to tail, creating a greasy, hydrophobic core. This oily center naturally blocks most water-soluble and charged particles, like salts and sugars. But small, uncharged molecules like oxygen and carbon dioxide can slip right through. Tucked in between, cholesterol acts as a temperature buffer, keeping the membrane from becoming too fluid when it's warm or too rigid when it's cold. So how do the essential but blocked molecules get across? This is where the protein gates take over, governed by two main rules. First, there's passive transport. This is moving downhill, from high concentration to low, and requires no energy from the cell. It's like floating down a river. Some molecules use special protein channels to make this trip, a process called facilitated diffusion. Then there's active transport. This is the hard work, moving substances uphill, against their natural flow. This costs energy in the form of ATP. The classic example is the sodium-potassium pump, a tiny molecular machine that works tirelessly to maintain the cell's electrical balance, a process essential for our nerves to fire. This constant, controlled traffic is what separates the organized world inside the cell from the chaos outside.